How to read messages on Viber without showing the seen message. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today I'll guide you through the steps and how you can read messages on Viber without showing the seen tag. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. Now you can simply disable the online status option. To do so, open up Viber first, then tap on the more option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and from here you want to simply head into the settings option as you can see on the screen. Once under settings, you can see the second option that says privacy. Simply tap on privacy, and under privacy you can see the share online status option. You can see here share online status. You can change the settings once every 24 hours, and you can see down below send seen status. Turn this setting off will hide your other seen status from you, so you want to toggle it off. Now others won't be able to see your seen status even if you read the receipts, and you won't be able to do so either. So this is how you can easily read messages on Viber without showing this seen option there. Or seen status. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.